Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the print screen shortcut for the snipping tool on your Windows 11 computer. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay kailangan lang natin i-search yung settings, and then click mo lang to open. And then next step, ay kailangan mo lang select yung accessibility, so i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa accessibility, scroll down. And then dito lang sa interactions, under nito ay kailangan mo lang select tong keyboard. So click mo lang ito. And then next dito sa keyboard, scroll down. And then dito sa on-screen keyboard, access key and print screen, makikita mo kaagad dito yung use the print screen key to open snipping tool. Kung paano ba ito enable, so dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung button nyo. Okay, so i-click mo lang ito. Ayan, so na-enable na po siya. And then next step ay i-drag mo lang itong mouse natin. So itong mouse pointer natin, so ganyan, i-drag lang natin ganito, and then release lang natin, and then check natin. Ayan, so ito na yung nakuha na screenshot natin kung paano natin enable yung kanyang print screen shortcut. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano enable ang print screen shortcut for snipping tool. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.